What's up, guys? This is TampaTec, and this is the Wybot 700 Max. It's a wireless pool vacuum. The working time is over 160 minutes, and we're gonna put it to the test. I got my pool nice and dirty for the test. It does have LED indicator for the charging. It's red when it's charging, and green light means it's fully charged. It does come with a hook and foam pads to help with the wall climbing. If your robotic pool vacuum struggles to climb the walls, then install the foam blocks. So the indicator light, the blue light means it's powered on. If it's a blue flashing light, that means the cleaner is working. A yellow flashing light means low battery. A purple light means Bluetooth is connected. It works in these pool conditions: pool temperature, 50 Fahrenheit to 95 Fahrenheit. Salt, max 500,000 ppm. And chlorine, 2 ppm max. Comes with a 24-month warranty. All right, so here is the power adapter. It is 5 volt, 63 watt. Here it is. Feels pretty lightweight. Right here is where you charge the unit. Make sure you clean this off before charging. Right here is the bin. And make sure you remove this before you get started. Right here is the power on and off switch. Underneath here, you can see the intake, the silicone brushes, and the tank-like tracks. Right here is the blue indicator light, letting you know that it's powered on. Tap it once. That lets you know that it's turning off. And you just simply press, and now it's ready to connect to the app. So I have the Wybot app installed right here. And so we're going to go ahead and connect this one. This is the 700 Pro Max. Looks like it's already connecting. And then we're going to connect using my Wi-Fi. All right, looks like it is trying to connect right now. Make sure you're within 20 feet of your router. Here it is. Looks like it's already connected. Let's confirm. And looks like I have all three right here, but this one looks like it is live. So let's go ahead and connect that. So you can run just using the floor if you want to save battery life, the walls only, the wall then floor, or standard full pool cleaning. I'm going to do that. It sent that instructions to the pool vacuum. Now it tells you right here, the signal cannot be transmitted through the water. Keep the robot out of the pool when presetting. So that lets you know that it's online and it's connected via Bluetooth. So right now it tells you the temperature outside. You can click on the gear, preset which pool that you have. I already preset everything right here. As you can see, these are all check marked. Now, if you tap on online right here, if you tap up here, you'll see firmware update. Let's go ahead and do the firmware update. That will fix any kind of bugs or glitches the original firmware had, or just improved the old firmware. So it looks like the progress is 100% complete. Let's go ahead and hit the back button. There we go. I sent a command just to make sure it's refreshed after the update. So if you click on the I for information right here, you could change the name of the device. You could turn on auto update, reset Wi-Fi password, and calibrate the equipment.
It takes about 30 or 40 seconds for the Wybot to actually start cleaning. I'm pretty impressed with the suction power. It was able to suck up all that dirt and even climb up the wall. The Wybot even climbed up all my stairs except for that last one, which leads to outside the water, which is a good thing because I don't want the Wybot leaving the pool. Now, depending on the size of your pool, it may take a couple hours for it to do a full cleaning, the walls and the floor. My pool is about 26 feet length, 12 feet width, and about 6 feet deep. And so it took about 2 hours for the Wybot to do a full cleaning. I do like the self-parking feature. It just rests on the side of the pool, so I can easily grab the hook and pull it out. Now, there's two features I wish it had. I wish it lets you know the battery life on the app, and also I wish that it'll alert you when it's done cleaning. I understand that it can't communicate while it's in the water, but sometimes it comes out of the water enough to maybe send a signal. Oh God, look at that. Pretty good. Even picked up the seashells. Get out of here.
So that was my review on the Wybot Osprey 700 Max. It has great battery life. I like the smart app features. It does a good job cleaning my pool, even the walls. If you guys are interested in the Wybot Osprey 700 Max, check out the link in the video description below. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching.